Hi, meteorologist Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to be talking about severe weather and tropics here. Probably about a video. We're going to show you some stuff tropically and then go into severe weather where we will show you a ridge rider / the ring of fire issues we're having. But we're first going to start here with tropics. We got a disturbance here east of the islands. And what's going to happen is this red area is about a 50%, it has a 70% chance of developing into a system over the next couple days. Yesterday it was more south, but it was having a hard time figuring it out because it was too low. There is now a distinct low, and it shows the actual center. So the cloud data is pretty good about coming into probably right here, Puerto Rico, Hispaniola area, but then it widens out. A lot of it turns towards Bermuda, but there is a few that still, especially the ensembles, I want to get it back towards the coast, including some that take it into Florida, but majority of the models are making this turn. We'll have to see what happens, and I'll show you what could distinguish that here in a minute. Strength, definitely looking at going to a tropical storm. Hurricane, some of them even go up to a Cat 3 hurricane, so this could be a strong hurricane if it gets attacked together. A lot of these models are saying at least a tropical storm at this time. Here's the low pressure. Like I said yesterday, it was wider. Here's the low pressure system, so this west-northwest movement will put it up in the northern islands and then somewhere over here near Puerto Rico over the next 24 hours. So that's something we have to watch. Why? Okay, there's some winds. This is also going to go into severe weather. See how the winds are coming down through Virginia, and they got this mesoscale convective system. This is the flow. These blue lines are what the storms are following. So thunderstorm development here will come down through here, which is also part of this trough and the ridge here. So this trough's going to come through, which will pull through. We get another ridging to the west here and a ridge here, which is pretty predominant, not going anywhere, Bermuda High. It would suck it into this area. So that's why the computer models are going with that rate. But into the severe weather area, we can also look at this. This is a MCS near Chicagoland. That's going to push down here into the Virginias, looks like, by the evening time. So we have to watch that closely. And Storm Prediction Center is showing that now pretty distinctly here. Coming into Virginia, Roanoke's right on the edge of that. I would say Roanoke's probably going to get into some action tonight. Ring of fire. Okay, there's a high pressure sitting here in the middle of the country, Arkansas, Texas. Very warm air here. What's going around the ridge is where the thunderstorms and everything else develops. So it goes around the area and comes out here where these widen out, which will put it right over Virginia. This looks for the next 2 days before we get this backdoor cold front, which is up here near Maine, pushed down to the south and to the west. So that's what we have over the next few days. Severe weather possible here in the Ohio Valley down through Virginia, North Carolina, even possibly as far north as Maryland, and the tropical system we have to watch over the next few days. Meteorologist Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC. Thank you for watching.